Come on. Oh well, stuck with it here.
Tell ya! Just gotta turn around and get the rim check. Are you stuck or what? You stuck?
Jack will be loving it, won't he?
You'll have to video on the phone and whatnot, you can get him out.
Go on. Yes,
Oh,
he's
he's
out.
out.
Yes.
Now, which way are we going?
I don't know, because this is littler.
Oh God. How many trying?
Sit back.
Like,
Well, maybe ever go that way?
Will they try?
Shifting! Movement!
Move! Right, my window's going up.
You in the road.
No, we're gonna get stuck!
Go on, Jimmy, go on!
Can he just... Shush a minute, we can't even go up there, can we? You might want to put your window up.
Go on, Jimmy, go on! Go on! Yeah, get on!
That's how the flag do it, isn't it?
Go on.
Where? Go on!
Yay! Well,
Oh, God.
Oh, that was harsh, wasn't it?
That's alright, it's on camera, ain't it?
Aye.
Go on, Jim! Jimmy boy? Yes, Jimmy lad?
It's a bit extra. I've caught that like that.
How do we get back out? Do we have to go back that way?
Back that way,
Oh, God.
Yay!
Slow down, car. He's reversing.
What? He's there. We're going back out. Damn it. Bring that way.
Nobody in there. He's
Ah! I'm hit.
Getting out now.
Oh no.
She's gone mad.
Hello.
Look at you in the screen.
Oh.
Right, wait there. That's going back up.
Trees, you reckon?
I don't know, just try and come the way we can.
Come on, Jim, you can do this. Away. Go on, Jim.
Oh, God.
Go on, Jimmy. We're out. Right, let's watch these. Oh. So we get stuck like that.
Easy getting out, isn't it?
I do.
God, my nut!
God, you can have fun.
It's not me nut right up.
You can have fun cleaning this today.
Ow. We've got any grass, isn't it?
He's trying to clean his
Stick your
car.
belts on, please.
Mine's on.
Can we go in that long grass?
No.
Oh, my clutch is on its way out. My head's coming as I'm stabbed it.
Did you nut it?
Oh, that?
Oh, good, we're going through that water. Please do not splash. There's another car there.
Nice.
Oh,